Welcome to your training video today. I'm going to quickly show you how to make some capture pages using the Power Lead system. So we're going to log in to our back office here first, and the first thing you've got to do is get your domain name. Okay, so that's the first step right here. If you click this red rectangle, I recommend to buy a domain right within your back office. And with this domain, you can create an unlimited number of websites. Okay, so at that point, you're able to create unlimited subdomains. Okay, so we're going to click on the websites tab, hover over manage subdomains, and you can go ahead and create a subdomain. Now, if that's a foreign language to you, basically it's just like a regular domain, but a little bit extra wording. Okay, so here's an example of a basic domain, funnelsforanybiz.com. This is pointed to my website. Now, this is an example of a subdomain. There's a little more extra in front of the main domain. So for Twitter leads funnelsforanybiz.com. So that little extra that says dot, then the domain, that's what a subdomain is. It's just another URL off of the main domain. So you can go ahead and create as many as you want. Like I have a ton in this system. And for training purposes, I will say for training purposes, and I'll call it this subdomain dot whatever I want to use. These are all my domains here. Okay, so I'll do for training purposes funnelsforanybiz.com. Now, at this point, what I recommend is to click websites, copy web pages. So these steps here, just kind of ignore these basically, or you can click here to create your own web page, and you can use the new drag and drop editor, custom template. But what I recommend, just go back to the websites and make a copy. This is the easiest way to build capture pages with Power Lead system. So copy web pages section, and from here you can choose any template that you like and very easily link it to the subdomain we just created. Okay, so let me scroll down and show you. Here's some of our capture pages. Okay, so maybe I like this one and I want to select that one, scroll down, and I'm going to click the green button that says make me a copy. Now at this point, it's going to bring me into the editor section where I can edit the name. So I'll put in for training purposes so I remember where it's at. So you do want to change the name so you can remember where it's at in your stored web pages section. Okay, now here's where you can find the domain you just created. So remember, it was for training purposes funnelsforanybiz.com. So I'm going to go all the way up. It's in order, so there it is. There's the domain. Then you can select these other options here. Do you want to have an autoresponder sent out automatically? If so, you can select one of the different campaigns that we have, and then you can choose where is this going to. You can put it to a default sales page or any page in your system. Okay, click Save Changes, and you can change the background or just leave it the same. Then you can edit the text. So when you edit the text, you just basically click with your arrow then you can use your keypad, you can scroll down, and you can just start changing out the text, okay? You can remove this if you want. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, there you go. And we got just this text here. You can change out the coloring. You can edit it, make it look however you want, okay? Literally, you can change it very, very quickly. If I wanted to make this headline bigger, I can change out the size. Discover amazing secret that led me to $1,000 days per month. Now with the capture section, don't change that stuff in there. That's like coding and it will mess it up. So leave that alone. And then scroll down. I wouldn't touch the button either. Sometimes that messes it up and then they can't actually opt in. So usually you want to leave this part alone unless you're an advanced user. Then we click Save Changes and you can view your website. Now, there you have it. This website is up, ready to go, very quickly made. I think I would obviously make this smaller text there, but just for quick training purpose example, that is how you build a website with the Power Lead system. So again, I'll go over it really briefly. Is you want to go to websites, create your subdomain, and then you can click on copy web pages. And that's really the easiest way to start building as many different sites promoting whatever businesses you want. And this is how I promote multiple income streams online. Okay, so another thing you can do is drag and drop editor. Again, it's under websites. We have a new drag and drop editor. Actually, it's about a year old, and you can click this, and this gives you a ton of more templates, like literally hundreds of more designs where you can create a large variety of any kind of website. Sales pages, capture pages, all kinds of content pages. This is much more updated. So you can really create any kind of website that you want. And this is how you do it. You just find the block or the component that you want and you drag it over and then you start editing and piecing it together. So we do have some capture pages right here. There you go. They got some new designs in here since last time. And all you do is drag and you drop just like this. And then you can start making edits however you want. Okay, so take some time to play around with it and to kind of figure it out. It's not that hard, either option you go. And if you have any questions, drop those in the comments section below. If you're looking to get started with Power Lead System, I would recommend our free lead system as a great way to get started for free. Then you can always upgrade to our 7-day free trial anytime that you want as well. So do that below the video, and I'll see you next time.